Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to order from Amazon without creating an account. The good news is you don't need a full permanent account with login and password to buy. This guest checkout option is perfect if you're making a one-time purchase or simply prefer not to register. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the familiar Amazon interface with all its categories and deals. Navigate to the top search bar, which is prominently displayed at the very top of the page. Type in your desired product here. This search bar is your gateway to finding exactly what you need among millions of items. After searching, you'll be presented with a list of products that match your query. Browse through the product list carefully and click on the item that catches your eye and meets your requirements. This will take you to the detailed product page where you can learn more about the item, read reviews, and see images from different angles. On the product page, you'll likely see several options to customize your purchase. Select the color, size, or other variations shown under the Variations section on the product page. These options ensure you get exactly what you want. Then pick the correct quantity if you need more than one unit. These details are important because they determine what arrives at your door. Once you've made all your selections, look to the right panel of the page and click the Buy Now button. This button is designed for quick purchases and will immediately take you to the checkout process, bypassing the shopping cart entirely. On the next screen, Amazon will ask you to sign in or create an account. This is where the magic happens. Instead of logging in, select the option that says Continue as Guest or Check Out as Guest. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your region, but the meaning is clear. This option lets you proceed without any account registration. Now it's time to enter your shipping address. Fill in the fields with your full name, street address, city, zip or postal code, and phone number. Make sure everything is accurate because this is where your order will be delivered. Once you've entered all the information, click the blue Continue to Delivery or Continue to Shipping options button. On the shipping page, choose a shipping method that works for you. You'll typically see options like standard delivery or expedited shipping. Select your preferred delivery speed based on how quickly you need the item. After making your choice, click the blue Continue to Payment button. Next, you'll need to enter your payment details. Choose a payment method, typically credit or debit card. Type in your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Amazon needs this information to process your payment securely. Once everything is filled in, click the blue Continue to Review or Continue button. At this point, you'll be taken to a final review page where you can double-check your shipping address, delivery method, and payment information before placing the order. Review everything carefully to ensure there are no mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully placed an Amazon order without creating an account. This guest checkout feature makes shopping quick and hassle-free for occasional buyers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.